Ujama mo akwa bampamla ke Black Media na edi kan bo modern so be subscribe dem. Abuja na na kwa media akoche da ababonten the leader of New Force ababonten de sembi ababeto abonten afa eye mfimpi mienu ene aduonu nan abatu ya abusia ye babeto ewo manganem abusia wakasa bebre e de akere se oba na ye president ya ekwan a obefa so ebu oman no e de ama sebitimamufo a owo oman no abusia na kwa mbedi akoche da ababonten ebe kan se wono so oba be ye president ya ade a obehwe ne se kabi maminka bi a oman Ghana yaji tumu ewo afe apem ahankono aduokono mienu 1992 mu no ono nana kwame bedi akon ebehwe se obehyimu kenapa na enkonko ye bibi se sebi wobenya asem na obekọ asemniye na afe beye se wunya kamafo because of yesika wuni enti no ono nana kwame bedi akon so obehwe se saade no entimi nkoso ewo oman mu afe so babetena oman mu beye omanpanini ewo oman mu a obehwe se obia wo oman we se mu bia no se ne wutie bia no wono nana kwame bedi akon obehwe aboa na watimi anya baabi asi emfa won se bi uko school anase wanko school ono nana kwame bedi akon the leader of New Force obehwe aboa abusia owie na osa kan sembi edefa na makomako ananafu makomako aduonu a abatoɔ commission ede ba abonten se ɛwɔ se ɛno ɛna temamufo ede twere wondin no oba abonten eba be kan se sane wɔde ɛnefu makomako aduonu ede tudwa na ɔno na kwame bedi akon se onte ase no ne de na n'anigye se abatoɔ commission wɔde beto n'animu no ohweye na osumu ede ma no ntesa ka ono na nakwa medi akonkon ntesa abusia ensam ne dawson na the leader of New Force, the president, the incoming president of the year 2024 ede atudwa yanko jinchirimu no emra ahike black bomodin so be subscribe wa like no comment ede amame na yeba yebeto so.
My fellow citizens, we might be nationalized by different dialects, different names, and different culture, but the same principles dictate our governance of living. For this reason, I stand here today on behalf of the nation, demanding equal justice for all citizens. The petition. Not only do I stand here for the nation, or to speak to the country, nor the continent, but to also speak for humanity. Equal justice must prevail for all citizens. And therefore, I'm asking again for this petition to be extended. For the youth, that is 74.9% of this nation. I would like to bring this petition to the notice of the Electoral Commission, a governmental body to protect the right of the country's democratic rights. From the 7th of May to 27th of May, they have given us 20 days to practice our voting registration rights. And this, I have put a petition on behalf of the nation against it, asking the EC to reconsider this duration and extend the time for us. For 33 million people as a nation is certainly not enough, certainly impossible. The ones who are turning 18 this year, including my own son who turns 18 in June, unfortunately, he has to wait for another 4 years before he gets the opportunity to be a part of democracy. In 2016, they needed 26,000 polling centers to do this registration. In 2020, they had to increase from 26,000 to 33,000 polling centers before they can practice the registration of democratic rights. Unfortunately, in 2024, we don't have 33,000 stations for people to register. Instead, we have 258 offices by the EC that has 3 to 4 different constituencies within there, making it 1,068 spaces, which is 3% of the 33,000 polling stations that helped us to do the registration in the past 4 years. My question is, how is this going to be possible? I think this is an opportunity to educate the youth and their democratic rights. This can deprive us from the rights of many things that we do. I'm urging the nation today to come together and asking for the people to be empowered, and they must exercise their constitutional and their democratic rights. May the power of this universe that helps us to govern our destinies lead us through this moment and these situations, and one understanding for us to build one.
Video ne yakwa hwaba no Nana Kwame Bediako NKB, new president for Republic of Ghana. Awusia owura yakasa bebre na wachire na adwene wachire ne senyame ye na dom na obabeyo manpanini ewo man Ghana mu a ne obeye ede aboa eye oman Ghana. Awusia mede bia ya na meka say sebi empanifo say obia ni honom a wochirifo asempa kodo ana empanifo say ni wonim to no ana edini gina tro no ano. Awusia in fact owura ya kansem bebre na ya na empanifo ka say be queen edin fatana efata no wo ko ano. Owura ya kasa bebre na o kasa no na ya abrefo na wate ehobi na abusia ohwe na ya abrefo sene sebi na wadane ne suntem na wotie ensem a Nana Kwame Bediako eka utimi se wa convince no ensem na wura ne mu pa ye bide bia ya na meka se empanifo no Ghana baby e wono sesei enya nkokorafo e Ghana biem awasi enya abrante a obetimi aba na wabekire ne bobele because ne wadi mfie adio wotwe ne akire kurampo no ena oba ayesebi wokire ayempia asem na ototo ne pa ekono empanifo aba nyina no kayayem se wo bie ne wonom a odwene ayetemamfo no eho entimabunu titiru si enya abrante wa na se wose obedwene oman Ghana ho obehwe se industrialization obehwe se factories obehwe se enwuma ebetimi akoso ewo man mu a mede kamisusu se yema owura yi Nana Kwame Bediako the president of a year 2024 yema ne nkyere ne bobele na yenhwe ono nso ne obetimi aye ede ama oman Ghana. Abuja Hayike Black Bomode so subscribe or like no comment. We are don't forget so be notification bell no send be the amanyo nsem bele wa nso wanya bi ahwe na ba se wo chiri mu ase bi wetima twene sere ne abasa no achiri mu se achiri buruwa makra.